Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Ubiquiti beacon. This is the UDM B/US or -US, and this is actually meant to go with your Ubiquiti Dream Machine as a wireless mesh beacon to extend your network wirelessly without plugging it in. It's actually called the Dream Machine beacon, but this will actually work with any Ubiquiti access point that supports wireless uplink, and so if you have an access point that is a wired uplink and supports meshing, you can connect this to it as well. So I have the it is the UniFi AP-AC-LR, the long range. I have that as my main access point, so it kind of reaches all around the house, but I have a Ring doorbell and I have some stuff outside that I'd like to extend the connection to a little bit better. As well as some devices downstairs that are kind of in the far reaches of the house. So I picked one of these up. Here's what it looks like right here. It actually is made to just slip right over your outlet. So even though it only takes up one outlet, it does cover, it will cover the whole wall plate, so you won't be able to use your bottom outlet. You can scan the QR code down here for setup. I don't know if there's one. Yeah, there's a QR code on here too if you want to set it up without a UniFi controller. It is made to automatically be detected in a UniFi controller for adoption. I don't know exactly what this is for. They are like little sticky feet. I'm assuming you can put that on the the corner of the outlet or something, or maybe they're replacements for these right here. Not too sure. And I think there is also, I thought they included a wall plate in case it didn't fit over yours, but it doesn't look like there's one included in the box. So maybe that is separate. I thought I saw that on their website or something. I'm not too sure. I'm not going to show the setup in this video. This is just an unboxing of it, but that is what you get. I will be doing a video of my Ubiquiti setup once I get everything set up. I'm still waiting on a few more pieces to come in, and then I'll do a full equipment tour and setup tour and everything like that. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.